Welcome to another episode on career growth. I'm happy that it is reaching the students that we thought of. But we also need to reach the parents. और मैं इसीलिए आज पेरेंट्स से बात करना चाहूँगी। सेंटर में इतने सालों से पेरेंट्स आते हैं, 10वीं के हो, 12वीं के हो या ग्रेजुएशन के, मगर हमेशा जो सवाल आते हैं they are almost the same. Student might be in class 10, class 12, ISC board, ICSE board, CBSE board or any of the state boards. There are a lot of questions hounding the parents. And yes, a lot of times parents do tell us, what can we as parents do? हम तो parents हैं, हमारे ज़माने में तो ये नहीं था, हमने क्या करना चाहिए? बस यही कहना चाहूँगी, parents can also be career partners. जब हम बोलते हैं पेरेंट्स एज करियर पार्टनर्स, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू नो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आर ट्रबलिंग द पेरेंट्स. जब हम देखते हैं पेरेंट्स के हमेशा यही सवाल होते हैं, क्या ये सही कर रहा है, क्या मेरा बेटा उसमें सेफ होगा, विल दिस बी द बेस्ट करियर फॉर माई डॉटर, और व्हाट इज इट दैट आई एम नॉट डूइंग और आई शुड बी डूइंग. आई वॉन्ट हिम टू बी हैप्पी, आई वॉन्ट हिम टू बी सेफ एंड सिक्योर्ड. ये सब सवाल हमेशा पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में आते रहते हैं और वहीं से उनके कंसर्न्स भी शुरू होते हैं. There is parents concern and there is so much of confusion with the careers which are all around. क्योंकि हमेशा ये सुना जाता है, हमारे ज़माने में तो नहीं था, पता नहीं ये क्या बोल रहा है, कोई नया कोर्स बोल दीजिए, या there are so many new courses. During our time it was not there, do let me know. Yes, the questions are very right, but we need to address them in a most right manner. What are the factors affecting the choices? हम बच्चा जब 10वीं में होता है, 12वीं या इवन ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के वक्त, व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स विच आर कमिंग इनटू द माइंड? सबसे पहले परसेंटेज क्या मिलेगा, कैसे मिलेगा, अच्छे मिले तो क्या करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, फ्रेंड्स क्या करने वाले हैं. हमेशा देखते टीनेजर्स आर ऑलवेज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय देयर फ्रेंड्स, एंड यस, वॉट एवर द फ्रेंड वॉन्ट्स टू डू, द पेरेंट्स sometimes are comfortable that the friend is also doing and my son or my daughter is also doing, and sometimes it can be a bother to them also. With that, location also is an issue. Location can be near, far, at whichever place it can be. Again, not only that, is this a new career, is this a new trend that they are getting into, अच्छा course है क्या, college कैसा है. And yes, for even something which comes very very openly is parental expectations. मैं नहीं बन सका इसलिए तू बन, या मैं भी हूँ इसलिए यू शुड बी कैरिंग ऑन द सेम ट्रेडिशन. और इट कैन बी समथिंग वेरी सिंपल एज, आई एम नॉट श्योर वॉट यू आर सपोज टू डू, यू थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आई एम वेरी सपोर्टिव. विद दैट देयर इज पीयर प्रेशर ऑल्सो. So peer pressure can be about the teenage peer pressure as well as the parents' peer pressure. Peer pressure is both for the parents and the students. And yes, these are all the factors which are coming into picture while making the career decisions. Before that your teenager starts the career journey, you need to become career literate. And how are you going to become? Loads of information channels these days. You have the newspapers. बहुत से newspapers careers की जानकारी देते हैं. Well, you have the search engine. कोई भी सवाल टाइप कीजिए दुनिया में किसी भी पार्ट का, you get all the information related about a career or a course or an institute sitting at your desk itself. Of course, there are a lot of workshops, seminars होते हैं, career exhibitions भी होते हैं. Start attending them. With that, also go to a career counselor. It definitely helps. So when you become career literate, you are in a better position to answer your child. Not only that, जो हमेशा होता है, क्या वो अब कर रहा है वो नेक्स्ट 5 years या 10 years वैलिड होगा, ये भी सवाल पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में आता है. There are certain situations which are beyond yours and my control. इकोनॉमी चेंज होती है, पॉलिटिकल डिसीजंस चेंज हो जाते हैं, there are so many other factors. So what are we supposed to do during such time? Ensure that your teenager hones proper skills. Skill set की जब हम बात करते हैं, communication skills, presentation skills, computer literate skills, these are very very required. With that, ensure that your child has a sport or a hobby for him or her, whatever he or she likes. Not only that, see that you inculcate a little bit of community service also. थोड़ा बहुत सोसाइटी के लिए भी काम करना. And yes, then only our children are going to get the dignity of labor. These are very very small things which you can start right from your child is in the schooling years as well as in the college years. Do not ever undermine this skill set. because academic qualification बच्चों के पास होता है, but what you require is much more than that. It has to be beyond, and then only careers are fantastic. And so when you're a career literate parent, it is the best to come at a decision. With that, avoid being very pushy, criticizing your child, or even nagging. Don't over expect and give it too easily also. All the demands of the children need not be taken care of. And yes, just because you were deprived of something during your time, that doesn't mean that you have to give it to your child now. Just check whether he or she really requires it. I'm sure with all these tips, you'll be in a better decision-making process for your child at every point of time. So parents, you are the career partner of your own child. See that you are updated about the education system, be it in India or abroad. Also note what are the new changes. And yes, ensure that your child is in the right hands for the best decision-making process. And most importantly, do not live your dreams through your child. So before I sign off, just a small reminder, subscribe to our channel, which would be covering all such aspects for better decision-making process for you as a parent as well as your child. Thank you so much.